In this video, I'll show you how to make slowed video in CapCut. This video is really for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now open up your CapCut, select a video you want from your own library. So I am using a current template here inside of CapCut to do this. So if you look at this video now, you can see how fast this video is. So you can see it. So but we want to make a slowed video. So if I click on this normal now, I can be able to adjust the speed of how I want it to be. So you can just take it down to this. Click on this. So you can see the difference. Like it's not even playing at all. But if I click on this, I can just increase it small. Okay, I'll go back. So this is it. So this is how this video is playing. So I'm going to increase the speed now and show you what I mean. So this is the speed. I'll put it in 5. So you can see how fast this is playing. So you can see it. So what if you love to make a slowed video? What you need to do, click on this normal. You can be able to adjust the speed and reduce the speed here from this option. So you can see how it's playing very, very slow. So this is how you can do this. So you can reduce it to 1. So this is how you can do this. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the very next video.